Good morning children. Welcome to the math class. Today we will do exercise from 9.5 question number 7 chapter 9 algebraic expressions and identities. In question number 7 it is given that using a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. That means third identity. Find the value of this, or you have to evaluate by using these identities. Clearly you can see that 51 square minus 49 square, we will consider 51 as A and 49 as B. So in case of A square minus B square, what we will write? We will write A plus B into A minus B. Here also we will write 51 plus 49 and 51 minus 49. Now 51 plus 49, you can write, if you add this, you will get 100 into 59, 49, 50, 51, 2. The result is 200. Come to the next sum. Now in question number 2, it is 1.02 square minus 0.98 square, whole square. We will consider this one as A and this one as B. So it is A square minus B square. It will be A plus B into A minus B, 1.02 plus 0.98. So A plus B into A minus B, 1.02 minus 0.98. A plus B into A minus B. When we will add this to 1.02, 1.02 and 0.98, we will get 10, 1 carry 10 and it is 2. So 2.00, that means 2 only. You can write directly 2 into, when you are subtracting this, when you are adding this, you are getting 2.00. Now when you are subtracting this, then what result you will get? 8 to 12, 4, 1 carry 10, 10 to 10, 0 and again 1 carry 0, 0.04, 0.04 multiply 0.08. So 0.08 is the answer of this one. Next sum is, next one is 153 square minus 147 square, same 153 plus 147 into 153 minus 147. When we are adding 153 plus 147, 0, 1 carry 0, 1 carry 3. So 300, and when we are subtracting it, the result is 3 to 7 to 13, 6, 1 carry. Okay. Now it will be into 6. Result is 300 into 6, 1800. Okay. Next question is, using question number 8, using x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Do you remember? We have used this identity in previous sum also. Now question number is 103 into 104. Can I write 100 plus 3? Check students, 100 plus 3 instead of 103 into 100 plus 4. Yes. Now I can consider it is a and it is x. This is x and this is a. Again this is x and this is b. So x plus a and x plus b, x square plus a plus bx, that means 3 plus 4 into x, here 100, plus a into b, here 3 into 4. 100 square means is x square plus a plus b into x plus a into b. 100 square means 100, 10,000 plus 3 plus 4, 7, 7 into 100 plus 3, 3 4s are 12. When you will add, you will get 100, 10,000 plus 700 plus 12. The result is 10712. 10712. We will add it if it is possible. then you will get this answer. Come to the next question. Now question number 2, 5.1 into 5.2. Same way we will separate 5.1 in the form of 5 plus 0.1 into 5 plus 0.2. We will consider it is x plus a, x plus b into x plus b. So x square, that means 5 square plus a plus b 0.1 plus 0.2 into x plus a into b. Now 25, 5 square means 25, 0.1 plus 0.2 means 0.3 into 5 plus 0.1 into 0.2 means 2 on the 2 places of decimal, so 0.02. Now if we add 25, first we will multiply 1.5, 3 5s are 15, 1 places of decimal, 1 place of decimal, so 1.5. Now 0.002. If you add all these, you will get 25 plus 1, 26, then 0.52. Okay. Question number 3. 103 into 98. 103 you know 100 plus 3 and 98. By using 100, how can you write? Yes, 100 minus 2. Now it is a plus b and the formula is telling that x plus a into x plus b. So x plus a is there. To make x plus b, I can write in this way using second bracket. So 100 plus 3 into 100 plus minus 3. This kind of sums you have done before also. So 100, this is our a and this is our x a, x and b is minus 2. So we can write in this way, x square means 100 square plus 3 plus minus 2, that is a plus b into x, a plus b into x plus a into b, 3 into minus 2, 100 square means 10,000 plus 3 minus 2 into 100, 3 into 2, 6 minus 6. So 10,000 plus 3 minus 1, 1 into 100 minus 6, 10,000 plus 100 minus 6, 10,100. You can do in this way, 10 rough work, 10,000 then 100 then 6, 10, 10,000 plus 1,000, 6 was minus, so we will not take it. 1,000, 10,100 then minus 6. The result is, subtract it and you will get 10094. Okay. Next question. 9.7 into 9.8. It will be easy for you. 9 plus 0.7, 9 plus 0.8, a square plus x square plus a plus b into x plus a into b. 9 9s are 81. 0.7 plus 0.8, you know 7 plus 8, 15. 1 place of decimal as you are adding, into 9 plus 7 8s are 56. 2 places of decimal into you are multiplying, so decimal will move to right side after 2 place. Now if 81 plus 1 3 point, when you are multiplying 0.7 into 0.8, it will be 56 and point will move from to the left side. It will be after 2 places, from here 1 place and 1 place, it will be 2 places, so 0.56. After multiplying, you will add this 1.5 into 9, 13.5, multiply it and 0.56. So the result is, if you add all this, 81 plus 13 and 6, it will be 0.06 and 95. Okay. I hope if you practice this, the sums will be very easy for you. Thank you, students.